Walmart just launches a new subscription service called Walmart Plus that costs $98 per year, and it offers same-day delivery, so it competes with Amazon Prime. On top of that, it also offers fuel discounts, etc. So, should you buy Walmart stock? Subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified for upcoming investing videos. Number 1. So let's have a look at the stock performance. So yesterday it was doing well, that's why the graph is green. Last week the stock price was at 120 US dollars. Last month it was like 122 US dollars. Half year ago the stock price was at 115 US dollars. And last year it was roughly 113 US dollars. So let's calculate their performance real quick. So let's say $128 divided by 113 US dollars. So the stock performance is 13% roughly. There are stocks out there with much higher performance. 5 years ago, let's look further into the past. The stock price was roughly at 74 US dollars. So the stock performance is roughly 40%. And at the beginning, the stock price was at 6 cents in 1972. Just to let you know. Next, the market capitalization is of over 360 billion US dollars. So it's a very stable company. And they also pay dividends. The dividend yield is 1.69%, so it is below. A few facts about Walmart. Walmart was founded in 1962 in Rogers, Arkansas. It has about more than 10,000 stores worldwide. And it has more than 2 million employees worldwide. In terms of market share in US, Walmart has 56%. So it is safe to say that Walmart is the biggest grocery store or retail store in the US in terms of groceries. I just would like to let you know that since today I just started an online course, Investing for Beginners, and the first 100 buyers get $100 discount. The discount, you can grab the discount code in the video's description below after completing watching this video. Happy investing! Number 3. Let's have a quick look at the earnings report. So as you can see here, the revenue is increasing, which is pretty good even during this world crisis. The e-commerce sales, it also grew like 74% with strong results for grocery pickup and delivery services. So yeah, it is also able to diversify their portfolio. Let's have a deeper look into the financial statements. For example, this one. So as you can see here, The net sales is roughly 134 billion US dollars. That's an increase of roughly 9% compared to last year. So it's doing pretty well even during this world crisis. Let's have a quick look into their profit. So the profit is 3.99 billion US dollars, so almost 4 billion US dollars. That's an increase of 4%. So during this time, it's not a big deal for Walmart. It's doing well. Annual report. Let's have a quick look at the annual report. The annual report is 88 pages long, so they have much information here, so it's pretty transparent. So as here, according to this annual report, the end of the fiscal year is ended on January 31st. So for last year, the revenue roughly 524 billion US dollars, and the profit was about billion US dollars. So 2 years ago it was 7 billion US dollars, and the previous 3 years, so in 2017, 16, 15, it also made profit all the time. So it was like, on average, you can say here in the last 5 years, it was like 1 billion US dollars in profit per month. So the company is doing pretty well. Walmart will also offer health insurance. Well, better to say affordable health insurance. So it's roughly 50% lower than the traditional care. Besides, its primary care service offers just $4 generic drug program for its members. So considering that in the United States there are roughly about 31 million people without any health insurance, this kind of service from Walmart can fill this niche, this gap perfectly. Check out the investing playlist to find out about stocks that has really high performance, and also stocks with really high dividend yield. I also would like to remind you about the new online course, Investing for Beginners. Check out on the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. See you next time.